Ukrainian fighter jet fires at Russian forces in incredible cockpit footage. This footage allegedly shows the inside of a Ukrainian MiG-29 fighter as it performs active service defending Ukraine from Russian forces. The footage was posted by the Armed Forces of Ukraine to their Facebook page. The footage was captioned with, "Ukrainian pilot filmed and edited a video of combat work of MiG-29 fighter." Ivan dedicates this video to his fallen brother Eugene Lysenko, who was heroically killed in an air combat with Russian occupants on March 9.